Okay. Oh God, oh God. Oh God. Okay. So, you can see. Okay. Okay, guys. So, today's video is going to be very, very different because we are outside in the forest. And I will be putting on a wig today in the forest. So, please pray that no spiders get on me. Also, I don't have a mirror and I don't have a blow dryer, so this is going to be interesting. I did have a blow dryer inside, which is why I have on this wig cap. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking in the screen, so that's why I'm gonna be looking this way, because I don't have a mirror. So, oh my God, this is hard. Okay, so of course I'm gonna start by putting the makeup on my wig cap, because that is the first step. Okay. Also, some of you may not believe that I'm in the rainforest, so here it is. Here's the trees, and there's the trees. I'm actually in my aunt's backyard, but she basically lives in the rainforest, and it's very beautiful. Thought I saw something. It's very beautiful out here. I look like Bobo the Clown. Okay, so the hair that I'm going to be using today is from DYHAIR777. It is kinky curly, and of course I bleached the knots and plucked it, all that good stuff. And I'm just gonna adjust the straps before I put it on. I say this in all of my videos, you guys, because that is really the secret to getting a flat install, is adjusting the straps. So bruh, I keep seeing like lizards moving. Just if you guys see anything crawl on me before I do, I really hope that doesn't happen. But if it does, oh my God, it is so humid. If it does happen, pray for me. Okay, so yeah, this is the hair, and this is the package that it came in. So of course, I'm going to, did I put enough? Like, I'm sweating, and I really hope that this doesn't come off. I mean, maybe I need to put some more. I really hope this doesn't slip off. But, okay. Honestly, I have blonde hair, so if it does slip off, then oh well. Putting the wig on. I look crazy. Hold on. Let's just move this back a little bit. Okay. So yeah. Oh my God. Wow. I actually really like this wig. It's actually really like a natural hair texture. I'm taking water and spraying it on there, even though it's not even like dry because it's very humid out here, but I just want it to be a little bit more moisture. Also, I'm glad I have this wig in that it's short, because I feel like long hair would like basically come off, because it's really hot and I'm sweating. Is that a mosquito? Ooh. We are really going to be putting this wig glue to the test of humidity, because it is extremely humid. So I'm really freaking out because I just don't want any spiders to get on me. Okay. I can't see. Come closer. This is not for me. Okay. So I can't even tell if this is past my wig cap right now, but I'm hoping that it is. I don't even have a blow dryer, so this is gonna be hard because it is so humid. Okay, so I'm gonna take my this is Ghost Bond, not Bolt Hold, sorry guys. Taking my Ghost Bond on the back of my hand. I don't know if you guys can hear the sounds in the background, but those sounds are not birds. My aunt told me that they are frogs, which is interesting because they are very loud. And they sound like birds. Okay. Oh my god, I think I put it too far forward. Okay. So yeah, wow, this is like not sticking right now. So what I'm gonna do is just hold this and I guess go like this. Oh, it's sticking now. After blowing it, fanning it for about 20 minutes, I can tell now that the wig cap is showing. So, but I think it's secure. So I'm gonna put some makeup on that later because it's too late now. I'm putting some more. Some more Ghost Bond. It's so like humid that this is like melting, but it's fine. I can't see. Okay, so okay. Oh, okay. I always have trouble on the left side because I really cannot see. Even with the mirror, I can't see the left side. Oh my god. Oh, look at. My wig cap is sliding. This is not good. Oh, it's coming up. Okay. We got to work faster than we're working now. It is apparent. Oh god. Ooh. Something crawling on me. Oh my god. Okay. I can't see anything. I really can't. Look at this. This is horrible. Ugh, get out of my face. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do now. I'm going to pull this down. Oh, I can't tell if it's in the right spot or not. I'm just praying that it is. Okay. I don't think there's any glue over here really. Move. No, there's none. There's none. Okay. Okay. By the way, I will not be doing baby hairs today because, yeah, no. If the wig is barely staying down with the glue, I just know that the baby hairs are gonna make it 10 times worse. So no. Not today. Not today. Ooh. Okay. This is bad. I feel like this is not gonna end well. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off now. Just pray that it doesn't come up. I feel like it's really like, oh, it's coming up right here and I see it. I feel it. What can I do? Okay. Let's do it. Let's do this. Oh my god, I can't see. Okay. Honestly, I don't even care how this looks at this point. I know it's gonna look crazy, but you guys just bear with me, okay? Please. I don't need the comments. I know. Oh wait, okay, it actually looks good. Hold on. I take that back. Let me stop doubting myself. What was that? Oh, something good. I hope it does not start raining. The sun is out though, so that's good. Okay, one side down. One side down. One more to go. This is how it looks. I think it looks decent. I can feel this side shifting. So yeah, I told you guys there's not gonna be any baby hairs, which is kind of evident. Oh, I can't. Oh, this side, yeah. What? I can barely see this side when I have regular. I can do it. Oh, I can do it. Oh, man. Oh no. What is that? What's going on there? Okay. We're gonna pray for that right there. We're not gonna touch it anymore. We're just gonna pray for it. Okay. Oh, why is the shadow not letting me see? Okay, I'm gonna move you guys right here. Yep, too much lace, but I'm not going back in there. I'm not even looking. I'm just... Oh, wow. I cut a lot of hair off. So this side is really just gonna stay hidden. Okay. I feel like that's pretty good for the most part. What do you guys think? Because you know, immediately, if you're in the rainforest and you're putting on a wig, you're gonna want to lay it down. So I'm just gonna put this, I got it. Just gonna put this this scarf on. How do I do this? Last step, I'm taking that water again, and I just, you know, gonna spray it on there. Okay, I'm taking this Talia, hold on, I'm taking the tag off. Talia Wajid, Curls, Waves, and Naturals. Okay, the tags aren't coming off. Great Detangler. I'm just gonna put a lot of that, cause yeah. I hope it smells really good, but I hope it doesn't attract bugs. But you know, I guess that's just a part of that is it. Yeah, so I guess I should show you guys what it looks like under the scarf again. This was not easy. Oh yeah, you know what, just don't pay attention to it. How about that? We're just gonna have this like this. I'll probably pluck apart later, but for right now, this is it. Okay, yeah, this is it. What do you guys think? How did I do? Does it look okay? This is the finished product. I feel good about it. But, okay. So yeah. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you would like another wig install in the rainforest, please comment, because I brought several wigs with me. So, yeah, I can film another one. But if you prefer inside, then I will do inside. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, because we're almost at 10K, which is so great. Thank you guys for 10K, by the way, once I do reach that point. But yeah, I'll see you guys in whatever my next video will be. Please don't judge my lace. Okay, see you guys next time.